Learn Russian in 30 days for adults and children. Русский язык. Lesson 1, урок 1. Saying hello and goodbye in Russian. In this lesson, you will learn and practice a few different greetings and how to say goodbye in Russian. Let's begin our practice. Read these words. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Hello. Привет. Привет. Hi. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Saying goodbye in Russian. Read these words. До свидания. До свидания. Goodbye. Пока. Пока. Bye-bye. До завтра. До завтра. See you tomorrow. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Good night. Grammar. Грамматика. We will learn here a few pronouns. There are many pronouns in the Russian language, and it takes some time to learn them all. Consider I, you, he in English. Each of the Russian pronouns decline according to certain patterns. It is far too difficult to remember every pronoun and case. They normally decline in a logical pattern, so you should learn them this way. In this lesson, you will learn only a few of them. Я, I, меня, my. Меня зовут Нина. My name is Nina. Or you can say Я Нина. Ты, you. Тебя, your. Тебя зовут Андрей. Your name is Andrei. Or you can say Ты, Андрей. Dialogue. Practice saying hello to a person you just met. Здравствуйте, меня зовут Анна. Hello, my name is Anne. Как тебя зовут? What is your name? Меня зовут Олег. My name is Oleg. Приятно познакомиться с тобой. Nice to meet you. Я тоже рад знакомству с тобой. Nice to meet you too. Match pictures to the words. This page can be downloaded. And page number 7 is for download as well. Practice. Complete the dialogue. Review. Words and expressions. List as many words and expressions as you can for saying hello and goodbye in Russian. End of the lesson number 1.